What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me.
Hello, Chaucer. Good day.
Good day.
So, I was reading the Wall Street Journal today, and it reminded me of that myth about earthquakes.
Oh, the one about the heavy metal band.
Yes, and how whenever they play it makes the earth shake.
Mindless tomfoolery, I say.
Why would heavy metal do such a thing to our society?
I don't know. I'll be right back, okay? Stay here.
Okay.